1 year ago, Bay Area Underpinning joined Groundworks. Together, we are expanding, building, and conquering the West. This is our story.
So looking back a year now, it was definitely a best decision that we could have made. It's given our team a lot of opportunities that they didn't have before. It was also the best step for the company to move forward and to grow.
The equipment provided by Groundworks has led our team on a pace to install revenue at a higher rate than ever before.
Overnight, we became 4 to 5 times more efficient with our production team, allowing us to serve more families in the community.
Our expansion this year has been tremendous. We have the perfect storm for foundation repair and scaling very quickly.
Growth is amazing with the addition of the San Jose location, the greenfield.
So last year, we sold a little bit less than $20 million. And so far this year with Groundworks, we are on pace for $37 million between the 2 branches now for this area.
So our employees have benefited financially through added bonus structure for the installation crews and an increase in commission for the CFIs.
Every homeowner that they get to help, they're incentivized with a little bit extra pay to bring home and support their families.
One of the biggest factors that I love about this company is that they promote that personal growth, the professional growth, and the financial growth of every individual that works here.
It would be crazy of me not to mention that every employee is an owner. Their lives will be changed dramatically. In most cases, it's going to be life-changing money for each and every one of our employees.
I think everyone has more of a drive and a grind to come to work every single day because they're not just employees, we're all owners.
Groundworks is a career, whether you stay as an installer for your whole career or whether you take advantage of the endless opportunities that Groundworks is going to provide as we continue to grow. They see that employee ownership as a massive part of their financial future.
We get to be a part of one of the biggest growing opportunities in the country, and it's a pretty amazing opportunity.
I always describe the growth of Groundworks as a rocket ship, and if you can hang on, you're going to be better off for it.
With the progress that we've made over the last year, there is no doubt that we will conquer the West.
I'm really proud of the team here for doing it the way they've done it. It's a testimony to them as individuals. We have a really, really strong team here.